Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'm back at you again with another DIY project and a little bit of a headache, but I'm going to try to get through this this DIY project today. Okay, so we're going to be doing a boho lantern, I guess on the cheap. Yes, on the cheap. I'm sorry guys. Cut. Okay, I think I've got it together now. Alright, so we're going to be doing a lantern centerpiece. I have not done a lantern centerpiece. I think they're really pretty. They're not particularly on trend right now, but they're very classic. So it's still a really good look for a wedding, especially if you're going to do something with a little bit of a boho theme to it. So I want to show you this lantern. This is awesome. I got this from Five Below. It's of course $5, and you can see here once you light it up how pretty it is. They also sell the same lantern at Family Dollar in black for $5 as well. So you can find this particular lantern at a couple of the discount stores for like $5. But I love the white. It's so pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a paint treatment to this, but just to kind of tell you what you're going to need. So you will need one of these lanterns, and this is actually really great. It's a nice size. You also may want to try to find a disc. I'm going to try to link something in the description box below, but I found this at a thrift store. This is like an 18-inch charger. This thing is huge. I love this, and we're going to use this as a base for our lantern centerpiece. But again, I'll link something similar in the description box. We're also going to be using Design Masters. This is a really great spray paint, and it is rose gold. You can get it from Michael's, and you can use a 40% off coupon for this. So we're going to be using that as well. We're going to be using 2 bundles of these bouquets that I got from Dollar General. They have these on sale, buy one get one free, and this is from the David Decor collection, bridal collection that they have at the Dollar Tree. So these were $3.50 each. If you haven't stopped into the Dollar Tree recently, go in there because these bouquets are very affordable. They sell the same ones at Michael's, but they want $5, so you can save some money. So we're going to be using 2 of these, and we're going to be pulling away the lighter colored roses from them. And then we're also going to be using this garland. This garland I got from AC Moore. They have these on clearance right now for $5. This is a really good deal. That's like a thrift store price. Go pick these up. They are awesome. They have them in different ones. They don't have any of the eucalyptus leaves, however, but they do have just these regular leaves, and you can use this for table runners, all kinds of stuff. So we're also going to be using this. I'm not quite sure what size this is. This is from the Nicole Garden collection, so make sure you get that one. That's the one that's on sale for $5. And this looks like it's about, I'd say maybe about 5 feet. Okay, so we're also going to be using this. Okay guys, I had to take a quick break. So you will also need this styrofoam wreath from the Dollar Tree. And you'll also need some eucalyptus leaves, and you can get these from the craft store. I happen to get this from Walmart, but these came and went. I saw a few of them, and I never seen any more after that. So, but you'll need a couple of eucalyptus leaves as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top off of this lantern, and I'm going to spray paint this rose gold. I'm only going to spray paint the top because I just want to see what it's going to look like. And I'm also going to spray paint the 18-inch charger as well. So I'm going to apply a paint treatment to these 2 pieces, and I'm going to see how that's going to turn out, and I will be right back. Alright everyone, so our pieces are spray painted. We spray painted the top of our lantern, and we also spray painted this charger. And now what I'm going to do is I kind of sort of had to use 2 of these round floral foams from the Dollar Tree because it wasn't wide enough, so I just kind of broke it up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start applying my glue once you apply your glue, this is what that should look like. And our lantern should fit right in here nicely now. So that's looking pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and start adding my wreath. And I'll pull the camera back a little bit. I'm going to start to attach my floral greenery. And I'm going to be using these greening pins to do it. And I've used this in previous tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead and start laying this down. So we have attached our garland with our greening pins, and you can use as many pins as you need to secure the garland down and get it to act right. So use as many as you feel you need to. Now what we're going to do is we have a couple little bare spots, so I'm going to fill those areas in with some rose leaves. That's what that looks like. And then the last of it will be the eucalyptus leaves. You can use hot glue or you can use pins once again, however you decide to proceed. Alright everyone, so I have taken the time to get my garland to lay down flat, and you can use stick pins, you can use hot glue. You can use whatever you need to get the garland to work the way you want it to and to lay down the way that you want it to. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. We've worked the rose leaves in, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working in the eucalyptus leaves because I wanted those to be on the top. And I pretty much just, I'm going to bend them into a like a circular shape and just kind of lay them around my wreath, and then take my time and work them in between the leaves the way that I want. But I definitely want the eucalyptus leaves to be on the top. Okay guys, I think this looks really great. We have added our eucalyptus leaves. Play with them when you put them down and just kind of get them in the direction that they should be in so that they look like eucalyptus leaves. And you can again just keep arranging until you get the look that you want. It's supposed to be kind of wild and unkept. That's the boho look. So I think that looks great. The greenery is very full around our lantern. And now what we're going to be doing is adding our florals to it. And again, I'm going to be using the lighter pink roses from the bundles that they're selling at Dollar General from David Tutora. And I'm going to be working those in, and that will give us a nice finish to this boho lantern look. So I'm going to be adding in, like 6 of these. And just attach them, go ahead and attach them to your floral foam underneath. Alright guys, so we have attached our flowers to our floral foam, and we are done. We are completed. It's just that simple. I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It just gives you a really gorgeous, simplistic boho look. Fabulous. It is gorgeous all the way around, and of course you'll see that in the intro in the beginning of the video, but it is beautiful. and it was done on the cheap, $5 for the garland on clearance in AC Moore. We used 2 bundles of roses from the Dollar General. It was $3.50 each, so that's $7. The eucalyptus leaves were $3 from Walmart. The rose gold paint was $5 with 40% off at Michael's. And we got the large 18-inch charger. Well, I got the large 18-inch charger at a thrift store for $2. So this is the way you really have a lot of impact on the cheap. Alright guys, so we're finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to rate, share, and subscribe. You can follow me on my social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram. And remember that I do preview what's coming up on my YouTube channel on Facebook and Instagram. So make sure that you friend me and that you also follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in the next DIY video. Take care. Bye-bye.